Lana. Let's break down the choreography you just saw. Before breaking down the choreography, as you already know, in choreography we try to apply whatever techniques we did during the class into the choreography. So in this specific one, you will see a lot of stretching, a lot of extensions, but definitely a lot of technique. So we will have pirouettes, turns, jumps. So everything is a bit more challenging to your body and to your knowledge. So we will start in an open position. Your right leg to the back, we're gonna step forward. So let's explain first the legs. We will go with the right leg forward, one, and then the left comes in front. And everything is in turned out position. So one and forward two. The arms are going to reach up and then to the front. So the arms are going straight arms to the back and then with the contraction to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 1, 2. Now, take your weight to the back and you take 2 steps, right, left, to prepare for a pirouette. Your arms are going to be flexed, your left is also flexed, coupe back. So from the contraction, 2 steps, immediately open right to the right and bring the left, flex behind the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the turn, you need to take the force from the 2 steps. Your plie is already on the left, the right is completely straight. Immediately shift your weight into a straight leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the same leg, the coupe leg, you will bring it down and the right goes point, coupe in front. So this is a bit, you have to be fast. When you go flex, down, point with the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flex, point, step, step. So from the same leg, you reach to your coupe, pointed coupe, you take the same leg back forward. And you prepare. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The preparation goes right, left. 4th position, your weight is in the center, your arms to the front for the arms also to help you with the force. From here, this is plie relevé. Your right leg goes to the side immediately and you do 1 turn. So from here, let me go back from the coupe, down, step, step, look my arms, pump. When you do the turn, plie relevé, this is very important, your right stays straight, your arms right on top of the left. Pa. Okay, so 7, 8, 1, 2. You land and you take the left back, open. 2nd position. Your arms from the turn, in, out, 2nd position. So let's explain first arms and then legs. So from the flex, down, preparation, open, right on top of the left. Down from inside, out to the audience, down to the side with a little bit of leaning to the right. These are the arms, the legs. Let's do it from the coupe turn, down, preparation 4th position, plie relevé, turn, land from the back, open into a 2nd position, and you recover. So all in all, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, prepare, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's finish with tombe. So you take the force from the plie, use your muscles, lift, and bring tombe, a big tombe here to the corner, and 8. All right, let's give it a try with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now from the big tombe, you reached to the corner, to the left corner. You have, this is 5, 6. You're gonna bring 7, 8, the left to prepare for your tilt. So from here, you want your, I will extend the upper part. You want your upper part to stay to the side. So don't lift your upper part to the leg. Keep your upper part to the side as if you want to see underneath something, let's say. And then your leg goes pop to the side, up. 5, 6, 7, 8 from the tombe. bringing the left behind the right is the force to kick the leg, pop. And the movement of the right, bend your knee and tilt your leg up as high as you can. Make sure your supporting leg also is in turned out position, so don't leave it closed. Always try to push it to the front and keep your hip to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Your arms also kick with the leg. And you can also follow with your head, but keep your body down. From the tilt, the same leg bends down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your right arm cuts right in front of the chest, and it will take your force from the right to the left. Now open, right, left, take force. This is your plie, and then we will do one jump. So when you jump, your arms go to the side, your legs to the back, pointed feet, and try to leave your head up, but not to be dropped to the back like that. Just keep it up to the ceiling. So the energy comes out from the chest. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plie 6, jump 8. From here, bring the left in front. 1, reaching forward and taking your weight to the front. Release the weight from the right, extend it as far or as high as you can. Point it, open your hip, bend the knee, and go left, right. Sorry, right, left, left, right. So from here, from the landing, you extend your leg, you have 4 counts. Bend it, keep the left straight, follow the right. So the left keeps on being straight. Maybe I'll show you from this side. So from here, you open your hip, keep the left straight till you bend. So this shape stays with you. So from here, jumped. 5, 6, land 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend 5, lock 6. The same leg you locked with, you're going to push it to the front. So from the locking, your weight is on the left, your weight is on the right foot. Immediately from the pointed foot, you're going to place your toes to the floor and jump. The right leg also try to delay. You don't want to close immediately. You keep it to the back as far as you can before you close. Pop, pop, and you come up 8. From the same part, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plie 6, jump 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close 7, 8, 1, 2. You're still coming up from the landing. Let's try to the music. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, let's put part 1 and 2 together with the music. Ready? And 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, 8, 1. And now this is the third part. After coming up from the last movement, from the force on the floor, you have 1. So you have to connect it with the floor. You go 1, 2. Now bring the left with the right, and you draw on the floor to make a small force. So from here, look at my arms. I'm going to send my right, so the left is in front, open, and bring the right in front. The foot, the leg goes from forward to the back, and then you put weight back front for the force. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Sorry, you come 1, 2, 3, down. Now from here, you're going to do 1 turn, 1 pirouette, but at the same time, you're not going to go on releve. You only will leave the weight to be on the ball of your foot and the heel is comfortable, like just a small rotation, because the most important part of the turn is to lock the right leg. So it's not full releve, it's only a small plie and locking the right leg in front. So from here, let me just repeat. So 1, 2, 3, the preparation, closing the left, lock the right in front. The same leg, you're going to kick it, just like you're doing jeté, and you go right, left. So from the force, your arms also open to the side. It's right, left, down, tombe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My arm swings to the front and swings back to the back, to the opposite direction. So it will also carry my body to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now off balance. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to fall on the floor. So again, from here. 7, 8. You go left, right, gradually going down. You don't want to be up and suddenly down. You want to go slowly, not slowly, I mean gradually to the floor. And the steps are going to be left, right, and then you fall to the ground. To finish, this is 5, 6. Actually, no, let's count it from here, sorry. So you go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same leg that was in front, here, the right, will draw to the back. You're gonna push your weight from your hands, bend the right, keep the leg straight, and take the same position to the back. It's a bit more smooth, so from here than this, but just because we're breaking it down, look, from here, pa, pa. It has to be a bit also sharp. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, flexing the foot, this is your position, and keep your hand ready behind you. Your shoulder needs to be on top of the wrist, because here we're lifting the hip, and we will look at the audience or at the mirror. You have 7, 8 is the head. 7, 8. So it's like a small wave with the head. One more time from the same part, which is after coming up. 1, 2, 3, turn, jump. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Head 8. Let's try to the music. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Head 8. All right, and now is the finale of the choreography. Is the last part, but we will do it on the floor. So we reach the last 2 counts. Is the 7, 8 with the head. Now you need to keep the hip up. This is a bit challenging to your arm, so you need to really make sure your shoulder is on top of the wrist. So you're already here. The right leg, you need to push your weight completely to the left leg and left arm, because you need to kick the leg and then bring it down. So your hip, the level of the hip does not change. You have to maintain the same level you reached, which needs to be very high. The head up, kick your leg pointed, and bring it down in. So after kicking the leg, bend it and bring the left to the right. So you close to your body, you squeeze in, because you want to also create force for the last sequence. So from here again, this is 7, 8, kick 1 and 2. Your arm is reaching up, and you want your foot to touch your hand. So 7, 8, 1, down, 2. Also, when you lock your leg, you're creating force. You're going to kick left, right. So from here, you will go. I'm gonna go slow. You will go left, the right is behind you. Right, use this arm, use the right also to close, and then you go again, right, left. Okay, I'll explain one more time. From here, and then I'll do it facing you. So you have 1, 2, it's up. Use the right arm, use the left hand to close. You're also creating another force, and now you kick, but it's not on the foot, it's on the outside of your leg. You go left, right to finish. Let's repeat it again, but facing you. So after 7, 8, 1, 2, you have left, right, close, left, right. And it needs to be like as a bullet, like as one force. Don't cut it, we're only cutting it now to memorize, but when you do it, you have to make it as one. So you go pa, pa, close, pa, pa. Okay? From here, you will reach 5, 6, 7, 8. You have hold, 2, 3, 4, melt to the left. So you're bringing your hip down to the floor and go right, left, come up facing forward and pa, a sudden drop. When you drop, it's like you want to take something from front, your arms are going to go to the side and your upper part drops down to the lower part, and that would be it. Let's try to the music. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and 1, and up, and drop. Okay, now let's put part 3 and 4 together with music. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, head, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1,